This one's for the yeller truck. We don't go on that thing all prepped up now. We're gonna go ahead and spray it with some ventilation primer so we can go ahead and, you know, do that stuff. Put some stuff on it. Actually, no, we're gonna spray metal etching primer, black stuff on the bottom. But I didn't buy enough yellow. And then we'll let it sit overnight and then do something tomorrow with yellow maybe. And
this is why nobody watches your videos.
I know, right? Nobody loves me. Nobody loves me. Oh, it's already in there. Oh wait, look, ready? No, I can't. I broke a finger.
Yeah, go ahead and spill it.
That would be a fucking travesty. Anyway, yeah, it's just an old beat up doodle. So this one we're just gonna, as I was told, roadkill it. But I noted that nobody in roadkill ever painted anything, so we're gonna put black underneath just to give it a nice finish, because it's not a show car, and we'll work it some more later. Flipped it over and did something else. Oh, sanded the primer and patched a little couple spots. I'm making fun of you over there. Patched a little couple spots there and cleaned it up and wax and grease remover it and tacky clothed it, and then the fender came off the wall and it was just a new replacement part, so we just scuffed it up and then wax and grease and tack clothed it. So now it's fixing to go yellow. Actually, it's going to get some sealer and then go yellow. And this is a bumper for a friend's car. It's going to go white. I think it's going to have like a residual yellow flavor to it. We'll see. Polar white, bitches. Right over the primer. So the difference between me painting and a guy with skills. There's sealer on all the other stuff. This is going to go yellow. We're just spraying that white. And then we're going to get that out of here. Just taking advantage of doing the stuff that we're doing. You know, when you're painting, it's just easier to paint. Anyway, there you go. Put our back up. We already did one coat. I forgot to record. Anyway, here's the first coat of base coat, because this is base coat, clear coat, because the paint store didn't have any one step, so it's not going to look as good as it should matching wise, but it'll be just fine, because it'll buff out the rest, because it's been around for a while, and it'll look beautiful. Beautiful. You get the point. Well, as usual, it doesn't match so well. I don't know how it looks on the camera, but we just got it setting on there. We got to do a bunch of alignment. The fender is still the old one. This paint is 17 years old and hasn't been buffed in about 12 or whatever. But this is base coat, clear coat. This is one step. So we put the fender inside. The hood's on to keep the motor and stuff all dry. I got the tarp off. But that's just a step, you know. The next thing is I'm moving. I'm sorry, no, I won't say that. Block that out, Jerry. I'm not moving. Anyway, we'll get the fender on and stuff as we go, but it's just a step in the process, my friends. So
that one's thin.
We can cut a patch out of this if we want to. Out of the other hood. Yeah. And fuck with it. Yeah, that needs to take some spot welds out and maybe just patch in a piece like right here. Mm-hmm. Like from here down.
Yes.
All right.
Easy peasy, and you'll be happy.
Tomorrow?
Certainly. Jump on that big wire badass. Show me how it's done. Let me get those cleaned off first.
Shit, I ain't no welder. new hole?
No, I was just cleaning a big spot.
Hang on.
Because that's how the whole hood needs to be finished.
Making it fit so it's harder to weld?
No, I was just going around the corner and making it all nice. Shut up. Oh, that's the secret?
Your fucking head.
Fucking Clark Kent.
Your head's so small.
I know, I got a pinhead, dude.
I don't know. We'll give it a shot. Ooh, it's popping. You don't like that. It's there though.
There it is. So is
Stuck?
that aluminum. Did it work better? It seemed like it did.
Yeah, it's a lot easier because you can just plow into it, right?
Okay.
Yeah, aluminum's gonna be hot, bro.
All right. Well, that also sucks the heat out of it too.
Well, these are pretty cold the way I'm doing them. I mean, they're really cold welds, but it doesn't matter. Yeah? They're not structural. I pushed a lot of wire.
I know mine all look like.
When I take my glasses off, it's like I gotta readjust. We happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
Did the aluminum come out? You should grab it again.
It's in there somewhere. Well, you can grab it. Gas off.
I mean, for a free welder, it works pretty good.
That's, dude. Everybody grabs mine at the shop instead of using the brand new Miller. Nobody likes that fucking Miller.
Really?
Yep.
I don't know why. I'm a Lincoln dude also. Just because that's what I started with, though. I guess. I was supposed to buy you a hose reel for that. One of them fancy ones that winds
Is that
up
what
by
that
itself.
was?
Remember?
And you know what? I bought a couple of those and been so unsatisfied with every fucking one of them. I don't care if I ever own one again. I'm hanging a wheel on the side of the house.
Of course, you're always working.
Where's my beer?
I can't get working with him, so I gotta go work somewhere else. I've been building trusses for 40
Been hitting his fingers with hammers.
Big old dick fingers over there.
Oh yeah.
Good gear.
Oh, that's right.
Just get the fuck out of the way. I'm working here. It was fine.
It's a
Couldn't see it.
Next thing you know, all this is gonna be gone. It's gonna be Colonel Trapper Hood. Like,
And I thought I heard you say
this thing you pass.
Just wanted to touch your butt.
Ooh.
He's somewhat upset that that damn car won't start.
You want me to fix it or what?
I don't know. I think it might be maybe my distributor gear sheared a pin or something. Yeah.
What?
Should.
My mom, just being mom.
Well, put the cap off of it, turn it over, and see if it's spinning, you know? There's enough people here to help you with that.
What do we need help with?
This
This
plier.
car, I gotta make it
This
run.
plier.
Well, I took it. What I did is I swapped out a.
No.
I swapped. Oh, where's the?
I've never seen the green color before. It's always blue or red or something. Mostly red.
I swapped out
Yellow Bondo with blue hardener.
I thought it might be the coil was bad, so I swapped the coil.
Is that Bondo or is that some
No,
other
no, it's,
brand?
nobody uses Bondo brand Bondo anymore.
Oh.
It's actually one of the worst products out there now. But we still call it Bondo.
Did you sweep into your groove?
Nope. What the hell would I do that for?
What'd you lose?
I don't know if I lost it or if I'm just never had one, but I thought there might be another washer like this.
Little tiny one up there on the bench?
That's the one I had.
There should have been two of them.
Yeah, I know. But there was only one when you moved them?
Two.
Was there?
Two washers, two nuts.
When you moved it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No.
Yeah, I didn't think so. I thought I dropped one. So it would have been right over
Little
there.
tiny washer, right?
Yeah, it's not that important. It's probably.